Hello friends, this is Deepa. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make a world famous snack French fries at your home. From kids to grown-ups love to eat this fries, and to make this you will need potatoes. I have taken 3 potatoes, peeled them and add them in water. And here I have some salt and garlic powder for seasoning, and I also use chaat masala for seasoning. You can use any spice that you prefer. And now cut all the potatoes into French fry shape and put them in a water so that your potatoes will not get dark, and do like this so that the starch in potatoes would go away. And now we need to blanch these potatoes. For that, take water in a saucepan and add your potatoes into this water and bring the water into boiling. So now you can see the water started to boiling. This point, just switch off your stove and using a strainer strain the potatoes from water into a bowl. So I have strained all the potatoes from the water, and now we need to dry them up, because if your potato is wet like this and if you fry them in oil, it will absorb so much of oil and also you won't get your potato crisp. So to avoid that, we need to dry them up after blanching. So for that, take a white clean cloth like this and place your potatoes onto it, and just do like this so that this cloth would absorb all the extra moisture in the potato. And I'm going to take this potatoes again into another cloth to dry them up again. This process is very important to get perfect French fries, so don't skip this process. So now I will use this cloth again to dry them perfectly. So now I am done. So transfer it into a plate, and now you can see my potatoes are very dry. There is no wetness in it. So what I usually do is, before frying them in oil, I always add a bit of corn flour to my potatoes so that my fries would be more crispy. So don't add so much of corn flour, just sprinkle 1 teaspoon for 3 potatoes is enough. So just sprinkle and mix them well. So I will add a bit of corn flour again. Mix them well. And now my potatoes are ready to go into oil. Yeah. So place a kadai on your stove and add oil and let it to get hot. So your oil should not be too hot for the first fry. So while you add your french fries into it, it should be placed down for a while and then it should come up. So that is the right temperature for the first frying, because we are going to do it double frying. So for the first frying, this is the right temperature of your oil. So just add all your potatoes into it and fry them up for just 40 to 50 seconds till they half done. So if you are preparing bulk of french fries, you can also buy french fries cutter from a store, and that would makes your job very easy. It cuts very perfect and you can cut it very easily, the bulk of potatoes. And you can see my potatoes are now half done, so I am straining them from oil and place them on a paper towel and so that it will absorb excess oil. So now place this kadai onto another flame, which is high flame, so that the temperature of the oil would get increased for the second frying. So see, I kept them in a big flame. So my oil temperature is high now and I am adding the fries for the second time into the oil. So now you can fry them till it turns into golden brown and nice crisp, but don't try to burn them. After you add those potatoes into your oil, just reduce the flame so that it will not get burned and it will get crisp as well, and your potato also would get nice and evenly cooked. Just do like this so that it will get cooked evenly. So just cook them for 1 to 2, at least for 2 minutes in a medium flame. So I think now my fries are perfectly done after 2 minutes. So transfer them to a paper towel. So here is my french fries ready to eat. Let me take one. Yeah, it's perfect. So let's do the seasoning now. Take a salt and sprinkle salt to it and mix them well. And now I'm adding garlic powder. see, my baby is already ready to taste French fries. So mix garlic powder and salt perfectly. So French fries are ready to eat now. So see, now it looks perfect, right? So you can serve this with a ketchup or sweet chili sauce or chili garlic sauce, whatever you prefer. You can take this fries with that sauce. Even with the coriander chutney or tomato chutney, it tastes great. So I love to take with chili garlic sauce. And see how it's golden brown and it's even crisp. So friends, this is how about making French fries at your home. So hope my session helps you to make a fries. Thanks for watching, and check out my channel for other great recipes, and I will see you tomorrow with another great recipes. So let me taste one. Yeah, it's perfect, and tastes really great, and I'm going to enjoy this with my baby. And thanks for watching. You can check my channel to know how to make golden fried baby corn, and how to make popcorn chicken and chicken nuggets, everything. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.